Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make birria red beef tacos and also ramen. First I have an onion in here, sauteing, and 4 cloves of garlic. You're going to need a 4-pound of a chuck roast, your chilies, your spices, and all the ingredients and measurements will be listed below for you. Okay, I added the chuck roast into the pot with a little oil. I'm just sauteing it a little just to hold in the flavor. I season it with some salt and pepper, and I'm ready to add the spices. I'm adding my onion back to it, and the garlics, spices. You're going to want to add enough water to cover the roast. Okay, I added about 8 cups of water. Let's go ahead and give it a quick stir. I'm going to go ahead and cover this up for about 45 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean my chilies and then add them to the pot. Okay, so now it's been about 45 minutes and I went ahead and I cleaned the chilies. I took off the stems and I cleaned inside of it, so I removed all the seeds and I rinsed them so they're clean. I'm going to go ahead and add them to the pot. I want to let them cook in here for about maybe 20 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove it and then blend the chilies. I'm going to go ahead and remove them. And put this mixture to the side, let it cool down, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend this and then add it back to the pot. You want to make sure you have the bay leaves out too, any large pieces like that of onion out of here. Okay, I went ahead and took the chilies out. I added them to the blender along with the onion and the garlic. I put about 2 cups of water from the pot, and I'm going to go ahead and blend this. I'm going to go ahead and add it back to the pot, straining it. Check on the meat, making sure it's soft. Any big chunks like this, you can just take it out and shred it. should be fine. I'll go ahead and add it back to it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and fry my corn tortilla. I'm gonna just dip it on top. Fry it for a couple of minutes. Flip it on the other side. Go ahead and plate it. I'll go ahead and make one more. Tacos, you could go ahead and add your toppings. I have cilantro, lemon, and some onion. And I added some more sauce on the side. You just put lemon, and then there you go. Make BIRRIA ramen. So you're gonna need is just any pack of ramen noodles. Just open it, put it in the water for a couple of minutes. You don't need the package, just throw it out. Just cook it for a couple of minutes until it gets soft. Go ahead and add the juice from the meat. And look at this. You can go ahead and top it with the cilantro. Onions. If you want, you go ahead and add an egg to it. There you go. BIRRIA ramen. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like it.